Welcome to our channel, guys. Today we're gonna see a big coin, guys. Hope you all know about it. It's next Solana. Hope you all know that Solana, how long they had a run. You all know that up to 260 they went 0.1 from 0.1 to $260 they went. So how many X? You all know that, guys. Okay, so next Solana killer coin we're gonna see today, guys. Okay, so let's get into the video, guys. Okay, so the today's coin will be next orchid, guys. Okay, next orchid. So the next orchid is a powerful P2E gaming platform, guys. Okay, so this is yesterday only it is launched in exchange, guys. Right now this is available in Mxc global, guys. Okay, so yesterday it is launched. From the launch, the right now this is the perfect tip right now to buy this coin, guys. Okay, there will be lot of possible things. This coin have a lot of future, guys. Okay, you all know that this could be the next Solana. I would suggest you guys few coins like sandwich, Kedana, this next card like that. Lot of coins, few coins I would suggest you guys. Okay, that coin will reach big yet, guys. Okay, so don't miss this gem. Just hold it, guys, and enjoy the ride, guys. Okay, so guys, this is the casual P2E game platform, and this is the, check it, this is the thing about the next card. So soon trading Mxc March 8th, yesterday the trading started, and these are the things, guys. Yesterday this dex also this is launched, and it's also simple power P2E NFT gaming platform. And Nesta by playing games. If you are, we can play games and Nesta also. So a lot of things are coming around the next shortcut, guys. What next? Q1 2022, Q2 2022, Q3 2022, and Q4 too. Lot of updates are coming, guys. This coin will reach new 8th, guys. So don't miss this gem. Just buy it and hold. I don't suggest for big big investment and all. Just buy it and just buy it. So this coin would be very high potential coin, guys. Like Solana, this will perform in 2022, guys, in this bull run. So nothing much about this coin, guys. This is official website of the next arcade. Just buy it and hold it, guys. That's not the only thing I would say, because if you miss this gem, you are missing the next Solana, guys. Damn sure this coin will launch. This coin will list in Binance. Once it is listing in Binance, this coin 8 will create again and again, guys. Okay, so hope you all know that about Solana performing, how much they performed, how much X they performed. So don't miss this gem. Just buy and hold. That's not the only thing I used to suggest you guys, and make big profit, guys. Okay, so come back. Okay, let's check it into coin market cap, guys. Okay, this is the next shortcut links, announcement, technical documentation, Twitter page. We can click on Twitter page and we can check it, guys. This is the official Twitter page of the next shortcut. So 113k followers is available. This is updates they are giving for everything. Just check it out, guys. Yesterday they launched Mxc, that's update. So that's it, guys. Come back. Right now Nesta is trading $0.01179, guys. Right now this is in downtrend, but don't underestimate this downtrend, guys. Okay, this can make you big profit like Solana, guys. Okay, so this is a perfect time to make an entry and buy this gem, guys. Don't miss this gem. Just hold it and make a profit, guys. Okay, so let's come down. Here you can see all-time high 0.014, all-time low 0.00011, and this is Solana based coin. Hope you all know that. And we can check the market, guys. Okay, we can check the market. The market will be available. You can check the market. Market is not coming right now. Okay, market is available in Mxc Exchange. Hope you all know that. And this coin will create big milestone in 2022, guys. Okay, so don't underestimate and don't miss this jump. Damn sure this will happen. Really cool things, guys. Okay, so just buy this gem and hold it, guys. Don't underestimate or don't think any much. This coin make you big profit in the coming future 2022 Q3 and Q4, guys. Okay, so just buy and hold. I already bought my coins. Keep holding. Thank you and thank me later. Thank you so much, guys.